Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to dismantle Dell XPS 720 and how to change the power supply. Now for this yoke, this power supply is gone. It's 1000 watts and you cannot go lower to 750 watts because you won't be able to connect your second video card. Now this is an H2C model. As you see, it's the cooler with it, but this is the first version. Anyway, the first things first is the cover. I'm not going to show you how to remove the cover. That's ridiculous. Believe me or not, this is the top to the bottom. Okay, but believe me or not, it's easier to dismantle it upside down. I already dismantled 4 of them, and then I fixed 3 of them. The fourth had the power supply gone. I didn't notice that. But okay, so the first thing is to remove a video cards. These things here. To remove them, you have to take this cover off. It's pretty simple. It's I'm not sure if you can see it. It's attached there, and then it's whatever. No, it's easy to take it off anyway. And the second thing to dismantle is this small thing there. That's joining your video cards into SLI mode, or if you have APA in a crossfire. Now then goes these blue pins here. They're pretty easy to take off, and then you take the video cards out. Don't forget to press here at the end at the fan. Right, so now to get the cables out of here, you have to take the heatsink off. Don't worry, it's just a piece of heatsink, like a normal heatsink, you know. It's just that it's water cooled, stuff like that. But it's nothing to worry about. Don't worry, it comes off easily. It holds on a 3 screws here. 3 screws in opposite side, and the 1 screw over here in the bottom there, where you put the water in. Now when that's opened, you don't have to remove it. You don't have to touch any cables or anything. You just lift it up, lift the bottom of it, and take your cables out. Now, if you forgot your order of cables at the video card, you should remember actually them, and they are as follows. The video card, the farthest video card, is the cables P15 and the P16 10 amps, and the card the closest to the processor is a P13 and P14 6 amps. Now as you see, there's still cables left there, and there's still cables on the motherboard. You don't worry about them, you won't need them. All you need is to get a cable from the video card and from a physics I gave you if you have any. And there's a 20 pin Molex cable which you have to remove, which is this one, which is only for powerful drum machines. And then you have to remove 24 pin cable here, which is this one. There's the difference. Right, what's left here is DVD ROMs, CD ROMs, whatever you have. So take off a SATA power plugs out, connectors out, and then remove from the floppy or a SMD card, whatever you call it, the card reader. And so that will leave us with the memory in, with this fan in here in the middle, and the 2 racks actually 4 racks for the hard drives. We call them 2 racks because they are 2. To remove racks, you'll see a screw in here and screw in there. Also screw in there and screw in there. These are you'll need a pretty long screwdriver, a normal screwdriver, and they comes off pretty tight. But don't worry, you can bend them a little bit to aim to inside like that, and they will come off easier. When that's done, you will have to remove your memory, all of it. So then you can remove your fan, your hard drive fan also. Otherwise it won't fit through, and you will just damage your memory. And the last 2 things to remember is this screw here. You have to remove it because there's a cable running through here for hard drives, for a set of hard drives, and it goes all around that steel wall here. And the only thing to soften the steel wall is take off this screw, and there's a hidden screw here. Unfortunately, you'll have to bend it. You'll have to bend that little piece of steel. It's not a biggie anyway. It's just to hold the fan there in place. So don't worry. I've been bending it a few times already. Yeah, there we go. That's the screw over there. And I'll just take it off now. I didn't yet take it off because I wanted to see you the bending part. And I'm not really sure if you have to take the screw out all the way. It's already bending slightly. No, you do have to. Sorry, you do have to take it off. There it is now. A magnetic screwdriver is preferable, but try not to touch any electronic parts. Really, you never know what can cause. So let's look at the wall. As you see, it's flexible now. Right. So all you have to do is run these cables through there. Watch the motherboard. Watch the components on the motherboard, and you should be fine. And these screws here. Okay. That's it. That's everything. See you later.